Hello students, I hope you all are doing very well. In today's chapter we will be learning about human resources. The chapter's name, it suggests that why humans are termed as resources. इंसानों को या मनुष्यों को रिसोर्स की तरह हम कैसे देख सकते हैं? So it's very easy to understand, friends. See, we are around in somewhere in the forest, and you can see there are many trees just at the back of me, and these trees are just a tree if they are not being used by any human. See, I know, and you also know, that tree's wood could be cut and used as fuel, but if there are no humans to use that, will that be useful? See, there are many sources, many bounties you see there are in nature that could be used for our purpose, like trees. Wood can be used as fuel for making house, for making many things, but they will be useless until and unless there are humans to use them. Animals can use them, but just to jump and do other works what they are doing, but utilizing them in other way, that could be done only by humans. So that's why humans are considered as resources. There are many significant things in our world, in the nature you can see, which could be used, like coal, petroleum. All these things were there for lakhs of years, but they are being used as fuel or resource by humans. That is why humans are considered as resources. So friends, a question arises here that why the population is so unevenly distributed. पॉपुलेशन का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इतना अनइवन क्यों है? क्यों कुछ मेट्रोपॉलिटन या बड़ी सिटीज़ में पॉपुलेशन 2-2.5 करोड़ से ऊपर, और कुछ जगहों में ये 1 लाख भी नहीं? सो द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ पॉपुलेशन डिपेंड्स ऑन मेनी फैक्टर्स लाइक द जोग्राफिकल कंडीशंस, क्लाइमेट, सॉइल, वाटर, अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ द job, whatever the work people want to do. So there are economic factors as well as geographical factors. People don't want to live in a barren land. See, राजस्थान के डेजर्ट, रेतीले इलाकों में लोग रहते हैं, लेकिन वहाँ रहना कोई पसंद नहीं करेगा. If I will ask you, where would you live near a place which gives you all kind of facilities like medicines, medical and educational, entertainment and every other thing, or will you live in a place which is way far from all these facilities? So definitely you will be going to select the particular kind of city which have all these kind of facilities. Next, geographically, if you will see that, topographically if you will see, then people want to live in a place where they get easy food, easy supply of water, and also the shelter which they are making for them should be easily being constructed. You don't want to live in a cliffy or on the edge of a mountain where construction is tough, where you don't want to climb up and down every time to get just a glass of water or to just get a bag of salt, you say. अगर आपको दाल लेनी है, so just you will travel to a place which is very, मेरे ख्याल में ऐसी जगह पर आप रहना पसंद करेंगे जहाँ से आप सामान अगर आपको मिलता है तो अच्छी तरह से और आसानी से मिल सके. आप ऐसी जगह पर रहना मेरे ख्याल में बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं करेंगे जहाँ से आपको हर समय पहाड़ों से उतरना चढ़ना पड़े. एंड यू आर गेटिंग माई पॉइंट व्हाट आई वांट टू से. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन अराइजेस हियर दैट हाउ डज क्लाइमेट और हाउ डज एनी नेचुरल फैक्टर अफेक्ट लिविंग. क्लाइमेट की हम बात करते हैं. क्लाइमेट डेफिनेटली अफेक्ट द लिविंग ऑफ पीपल. आप ऐसी जगहों पर रहना पसंद नहीं करेंगे जो बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी हो. आप ऐसी जगहों पर भी रहना नहीं पसंद करेंगे जो बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म हो. पीपल चूज़ टू लिव इन दोज प्लेसेस वेयर द टेम्परेचर इज़ मॉडरेट. आप अगर देखें तो एंटार्क्टिक में, आर्कटिक में लोगों की बसाहट बहुत कम है. एंड ऑल्सो बिकॉज those places are very cold, and also if you will see that Sahara desert, Gobi desert, or our Thar desert, and there are many other deserts, you will see a few handful of people only are living there. But if you will see the places which favors, the climate favors the areas like Mumbai, Chennai, New York, London, all these cities, if you will see, they have a favorable kind of climate throughout the year. And that's why people prefer to live in this area. अगर आप देखें तो दुनिया के जो बड़े बड़े शहर हैं वो नदियों के किनारे, समुद्रों के किनारे ही बसे. लाइक मुंबई इज़ on the shore of Arabian Sea, and Delhi is at the shore of Yamuna Nadi, and New York is also at the shore of a sea, and if you will see London, it is also at the bank of river Thames. So there are many cities in the world which you will see are being located just next to a bank of river. Okay, so that's all for today's video for human resources, and there was one more part that मैं उसे भी बता देता हूँ before ending this video or concluding it. What is a population triangle or a population pyramid, to be very precise? Population pyramid is a kind of a bar diagram which forms a triangle, और age group के हिसाब से you can see here a picture I am just showing here that के एज ग्रुप के हिसाब से, लेट अस से एनी एज ग्रुप, 5 से 9 साल, 10 से 14 साल, 15 से 20 साल, ऐसे एज ग्रुप में कितने बच्चे होते हैं या कितने लोग होते हैं. जैसे 5 से 9 साल में अगर 2000 हैं तो 2000 का एक आपने ग्राफ बना दिया, बार बना दिया. उसके बाद अगर 14 से 25 साल में 3000 लोग हैं तो ऐसा, एंड सो ऑन यू विल बी गोइंग, एंड दैट्स व्हाट द चार्ट सेज हियर. Okay, so population chart and all the things I have told here, and this is how the chapter ends. You just find out the notes, and I have sent it over the WhatsApp, and you can write it. That's all for today. Thank you.